Hello everybody, got a tune-up report today on the RCI-2970N4. This is for Debora in Toronto, Canada, and it's a tune-up report, so let's start power all the way down on AM. Take a look over here, turn this down. All the way down, I got it on the 100-watt scale there, so all the way down is 10 right there. And all the way up is 100. My peak power meter's got a 500 slug. There's 200, 300, 400. Audio, check, 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 check. Audio. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check, check, check. And on the sideband. Audio, check, 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 check. Audio, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check, check, check. 1, 2, 3, 4. That looks real nice. Alright. FM follows AM, so that's the same. Let's put it on the air a bit. Breaker 19 for radio check. You sound all right out there, Breaker? Debora, I appreciate it. Have a good day. That was pretty nice.